Good morning, students. This is Raju, Associate Professor in the Department of EC in Ramchandra College of Engineering. I am going to explain about continuous random variables, mean and variance with examples in the subject of random variables and stochastic process. As you are discussed in the last class, the mean or expected value means if x is a random variable with probability distribution fx of x. So then if we are applied averaging process on random variables, so then it is named as mean value or expected value. Averaging process is also called as mean value. So means here particular random variable real number multiplied with probability corresponding probability of that particular value with addition of cumulative process. So then it is named as that is mean value. If it is continuous random variable, x is a continuous random variable. So then it is defined the mean value e of x is equal minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx of x dx. Here x is a random variable and fx of x dx is a density function, probability density function. We can go for the examples here. Already I discussed here g of x is a random variable, then the continuous random variable mean is defined as e of g of x is equal minus infinity to plus infinity g of x into fx of x dx. Here is given that the examples for a given discrete probability distribution, then find the k value and mean value and variance and probability of x greater than 3. As you know that here the real numbers is given that with corresponding probabilities. The probability of 1 is k and probability for 2 is 3k, like this. As you know that the total probability is always is equal to 1. That is, therefore, k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k is equal 1. So from that you can calculate that is k equal 1 by 36. Total k's are that is 36k equal 1. So means k equal 1 by 36. So by using this we can calculate k value known that. So then we are going for to calculate the mean value. Mean value means the probability of xi into probability real number xi into probability of that particular real number is gives the mean value that indicates that is small m equal sigma xi into probability of xi. So that is equal 1 into for first value 1 into that is 1 into 1 by 36. Corresponding probability is 1 by 36. Next 2 into 3 by 36 plus 3 into corresponding probability is 5 by 36 plus 4 into 7 by 36 and 8 into 9 by corresponding probability 8 number is 9 by 36 plus 9 into corresponding probability is 11 by 36. So therefore if we take common out that is 1 by 36 and remaining are this 1 plus 6 plus 15 plus 28 plus 72 plus 99. Therefore the total values are that is 221 divided by 36 is equal to 6.1389. So mean value you are find out. If you want to calculate the that is variance value, that is equal variance equal sigma x square equal xi minus m whole square into gives the that particular random variables variance. This is the random variance of the that particular event random variable x. Therefore variance equal sigma x square equal I equal to xi minus m whole square minus probability of x. Like this you can calculate the variance. So then we are going for that is probability of x greater than or equal to 3. So that is equal 5k 3 greater than 3 means that is out of this given values greater than 3 means so that is 5k greater than or equal 3 means this is the equal 3 value 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k. So gives the that particular probabilities that is equal total 32k equal 39 by 36 gives the values. Then example 4. Find the mean value of the random variable whose probability density function is given by f of x equal 3 by 5 into 10 power minus power 5 into x of 100 minus x. So as you know that if it is a continuous random variable, so then the expected value or mean value is defined as e of x is equal minus infinity to plus infinity into x into f of x dx. F of x dx. Here already f of x value is given that therefore x into f of x dx equal x square y because already is given the value. The values are 0 to 100 x square into 3 by 5 10 power minus 5 10 power minus 5 into 100 minus x into dx. So that is taking outside 3 into 10 power minus 5 by 5 0 to 100 that is 100 into x square minus x cube into dx. X into x square gives the x cube value. So therefore 100 into x square integration is x cube by 3 and x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 of 0 to 100. So this total equivalent value is given that is 50 after multiplication. After calculation, that mean value is given that 50. We know that by using mean value, we can calculate that is variance also. If you are not satisfied with the characterization of probability distribution function. One more example is given that if x is a continuous random variable with the distribution f(x) of x, f of x equal 1 by 6 that is into x plus k. So is equal 0 elsewhere. Determine the value of k and the mean value. We need to calculate that is k and mean value here. One more is probability of 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Next, we know that to find the k value according to probability density function property that is minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. By using this property, we can calculate the k value. So therefore, is given that f of x value, density function value 0 to 3 limits 1 by 6x plus k into dx equal to 1. 1 by 6 outside and x integration is x square by 2 plus k into 1 integration is x of 0 to 3 limits that is equal to 1. 1 by 6 if you are substituted that is 3 square by 2 means 9 by 2 and 1 by 6 equal total it is 9 by 2 plus k into 3 minus 0 that is 3k equal to 1. So 3k equal 1 minus 3 by 4 and 3k equal to finally it is 1 by 4 k equal to if k 3 is out that side 1 into 1 by 12. We are calculated k value by using probability density function property. Then we need to calculate the mean value. Mean you know that mean equal if it is continuous random variable mean m equal 0 to 3 x into f of x dx equal 0 to 3 x into that is x by 6 plus 1 by 12 is given that is fx of f of x density function value. Therefore, x into x square by 6 plus x into 1 x by 12 of dx. Therefore, x square integration is x cube by 3. 3 into 6 that is 18 plus x integration is x square by 2. Therefore, x square by 2 into 12 gives the 24 of the limits are 0 to 3. So after substitution that is 3 value x cube means 3 cube 27 by 18 plus that is x square 3 square means 9 by 24. The final value is 1.875. Mean value you are calculated. Then we need to calculate that is variance mean value. After that we need to calculate that is pre of probability of 1 less than or equal x less than or equal to. So means the limits are in the range between 1 to 2 fx of x dx. Already is given the density function value. The maximum minimum limits already given that 1 to 2. Therefore x by 6 plus k of dx. 1 to 2 x by 6 plus 1 by 12 of dx. The x square, the x integration is x square by 6 x square by 2 into 6 12 plus that is x by 12 is the integration. Here it is x square by 2 into 6 12. So therefore it is finally it simplification value gives 0.5833. One more example is given that suppose a continuous random variable x has the probability density f of x equal k into 1 minus x square for 0 less than x less than or equal to 1 is equal to 0 otherwise. Then find k, mean and variance. This is the example. This density function is given that for a continuous random variable. To find the k value, you know that already. To find according to probability density function property fx of x dx equal to 1 integration of minus infinity to plus infinity. So using that property we can calculate that is already the limits are given that 0 to 1 k into 1 minus x square dx. One integration is k outside constant x and x square integration is x cube by 3 of 0 to 1 equal to 1. K into after substitution of limits that is 1 minus 1 by 3 0 means 0 equal to 1. So therefore the k value is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Finally k value is given that. Then you are going for calculate the mean value. For a continuous random variable, as you know that the mean value is 0 to 1 x into f of x dx. So therefore x into f of x value is k into 1 minus x square. Already k value is given that 3 by 2. Therefore multiplied with x, x minus x square, x cube dx. 3 by 2, x value is x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4, 0 to 1. 3 by 2 minus after substitution of limits 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 gives the 3 by 8. So this is the equivalent value for the expectation. Then we are going for second value solution for variance. Variance equal that is e of x square minus e of x whole square. So therefore that is equal 0 to 1 3 by 2 x square minus 1 minus x square dx. Already e of x value already you have find out that is 3 by 8 whole square. So from this again we need to calculate the that is the integration value 3 by 2 x square minus multiplied with x square minus x power 4 of dx minus 9 by 60. X square integration is x cube by 3 minus x power 5 by 5 of 0 to 1. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5 of 0 to 1 minus 9 by 4. So finally it is after substitution 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, 3 by 2 minus 9 by 64 equal to 19 by 320 is the variance value. Like this you can calculate the mean value or expected value and variance value. So finally it is mean means it is the averaging process is applied on a random variable. So means it is a mean value. If it is not satisfied with mean, the PDF characterization with if you are not satisfied with mean value, so then you are going for that is variance value. Thank you.